Hello and welcome to our video exploring 5 of the best ceiling speakers that we sell. One of the questions that our customers ask us most is, what are the best ceiling speakers? And it's a really difficult question to answer. Lots of models in the same price points are comparable in terms of audio quality, and they all look pretty similar. In this video, we wanted to show you 5 of our best speakers across 5 different price points so that you can sort of see the physical difference between them and hopefully work out what's going to work best for you. You can check out our blog post, which has an expanded list of 21 of our best ceiling speakers across 6 different price points. It's going to be linked in the description below. Let's start with the Speakercraft WH6.1R. These retail at £119 per pair, and along with the Sonos amp are probably our best selling product. As you can see, this speaker has a 6.5-inch bass driver, a fixed 25mm tweeter. It's a very sort of standard ceiling speaker design. They're great as a sort of general purpose entry-level speaker. They sound good, but the price is the real selling point. They're very popular with contractors who sort of want to provide a baseline for a whole house audio system and let people upgrade in future if they want to. These are actually some of the only speakers that we sell that have a trim around the edge. Most of them are trimless, which I'll show you in a minute. But basically what this means is when you fit the grill, you just slide it into the gap like that and push it down, and that's it. This speaker also comes with the added bonus of Speakercraft's lifetime guarantee, which means you don't have to worry about it going wrong, and if it did, they'll replace it for you. Next up is the WM65 from Wharfedale. Now this is a relatively new speaker and it's really impressed us with its audio quality. These retail at £199 for a pair. This speaker features a rigid polypropylene 6.5-inch bass driver, which delivers a really impressive response when combined with the 25mm titanium tweeter, which also can be pivoted like that to achieve a bit of directionality with the sound. Now the difference with the grill from the Speakercraft speaker I just showed you is that this one is trimless, meaning there's not an edge once you've installed it. The grill fits on with magnets, so once it's in the ceiling you just pop it on like that and that's all you can see. Next, we have a big step up in build quality with the Monitor Audio CS180R retailing at £330 for a pair. The main difference you're going to see physically is the larger 8-inch bass driver, which obviously can give improved performance in the low ends, complemented by the C-Cam tweeter, which is pivotable like that for that directionality. Everything's protected at the back now with this orange cover, sort of just keeps everything more in shape. It's not open like the first two. Just when you hold it, you can feel it's heavier, the build quality feels better. You really are getting your money's worth with this step up. Now we get on to the big boy speakers. This here is the Monitor Audio C280 IDC. It retails at £520 a pair and represents quite a significant improvement in audio technology from the CS180R. Now again, this speaker features an 8-inch driver, but the most noticeable improvement over the CS180R is this middle bit here. Now what this is a dedicated chassis for a mid-level driver and the C-Cam tweeter. This is also pivotable as a unit, like that, giving you that flexibility for directional music. This speaker having a dedicated driver for each of the frequency ranges means you are going to hear the difference. It's superior in its audio quality. It also has the added bonus of a treble and a bass switch, meaning you can adjust the power of those to however you see fit. And finally, we come to the Speakercraft Profile AIM 8-1, going for £578 a pair. Now this speaker is quite big and heavy. You can really feel the build quality. It's got an 8-inch polypropylene bass driver and a 25mm treated silk dome tweeter on the top here. Now its unique feature is that not only is the tweeter pivotable, giving you that bit of directionality there, but actually this whole bass driver chassis is pivotable. It gives you the ultimate flexibility in terms of directionality. It also has the added bonus of Speakercraft's lifetime warranty again, meaning if you did ever have issues with it, they'll replace it for you. This really is getting to the higher end of the speakers that we sell, but you will definitely hear where your money is going. These sound phenomenal. So as you can see, as we move up the price points like this, the bass drivers get bigger, the build quality gets better, parts start moving, And generally the quality of audio that you're going to get when you're buying these high-end level speakers is very, very impressive. Now that's not to say that the lower end models that we sell don't sound good. We actually believe that all of the products we sell will provide good audio. We wouldn't sell them if they didn't. But you will definitely hear where your money is going when you sort of start moving up the price points. We even have more expensive speakers than this, but we didn't want to get them out the box. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful. I hope it sort of visualized these products. I know it's difficult to imagine what they're like when all you're looking at is a circle on a website. But yeah, hopefully this video has helped you work out what's best for you, you know, whether you're thinking about price and want to go to the lower end, or whether you want to get the best sound quality and don't care how much it costs. See you next time.